Hello children, let's try solving one more sum which was again found in the recent model paper. The question is, if the sum of the areas of two square is 640 centimeter square and difference between their perimeter is 64 centimeter, then find the sides of two squares. Okay, so according to the question they have asked us what? The sum of areas of two square is 640 centimeter and difference between their perimeter is 64 centimeter. Here two squares are given. Let me take the area of one square be A and area of the another be B. So according to the question, the sum of areas of two square becomes A square plus B square. You know the area of the square is what? Side into side. So if A is the side of one square, it becomes A square. And if B is the side of the another square, it becomes B square. So the sum of them will be 640. In the same way, we know now perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So for perimeter of one square becomes 4A and perimeter of other square becomes 4B. Therefore, again according to the question, the difference between their perimeter is given how much? 64. Difference means 4A minus 4B is how much? 64. So taking 4 as common here, what I get? A minus B is equals to 64 or A minus B is equals to 64 by 4. A minus B is how much I got? 16. Let it be equation 2. Or again shifting the term, if I take this B to the right hand side, it becomes plus B is equals to, and this A I will shift here, it becomes A minus 16. So B value is how much now? A minus 16. Now I am using the value of this B. Okay, value of B in equation 1. So using 2 in 1, if I consider this as equation 2, I am putting the value of B in the first equation. What is our first equation? First equation is what? A square plus B square is equals to 640. So A square plus B square is equals to 640. A square plus, in place of B square I am putting A minus 16 because B is A minus 16. Whole square is equals to 640. So here A square as it is. In this, for this I am putting the formula A minus B whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So that formula I am putting and splitting here. So A square plus B square is 16 square minus 2 into A into 16. And here I have 640 as it is. Next, what is A square plus A square? I am going to get 2A square. 16 square is 256 minus 2 into A into 16. 16 2s are 32. A is equals to 640. Now I am shifting the terms. 2A square minus 32A is equals to 640 and this 256 will come to the right hand side. It becomes minus 256. Again 2A square minus 32A is equals to 640 minus 256 gives me the value 384. Now what I will do is I will again make it into a quadratic form. What is that? General quadratic equation. That again shifting this. See, this is a constant. See, what is your general formula of the quadratic? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is our general quadratic form of any equation. So this c should be, the constant term c should be before the equals sign, but here I have it is next to the equal sign. So I am shifting this constant this side. So what will be the answer? 2a square minus 32a and plus 384 coming to the left hand side, what happens? It becomes minus 384 and here it is now 0. Next I will take 2 common from all the 3 of these terms. 2 comes out. A square, 2 16s are 32. Again here 192 common, okay, is equals to 0. Now here what I can do is, as it is a quadratic equation. I can even factorize it, or I can even use the quadratic formula also. Here I will go for factorization method by splitting the middle term. Now what are the terms here? The last term a and 192 gives me minus 192a square, and middle I have 16. So by factorizing this, I'm going to get 24a and 8a. As minus 16 I want, and minus 192. So plus into minus. If I multiply this, I'm going to get 182, and 1 should be negative. So the number, the greater sign means 16, the middle term is having the minus sign. So among this, which is a greater number? 24 is a greater number. So I will put negative sign for 24 and positive sign for 8a. So I'm writing it here now. A square minus 24a plus 8a minus 192 is equals to 0. Now again taking the common in these two, what I'll get? A I'll write outside. A minus 24. Here what sign is that? Put same sign plus. And out of this 8 is common. If 8 comes out, what? A minus 24. A minus 24 is equals to 0. So which is there in the bracket, I'm writing it a minus 24, and which is outside the bracket, I'm writing it a plus 8 equals to 0. So if a plus 8 is equals to 0, a becomes minus 8. If a minus 24 is equals to 0, the a becomes 24. So the sides of the two square is 8 and 24. Hope this helps you, children. Thank you.